Alright. Hey there, it's E.Chenice here, each day with E.Chenice, and I am in the garden this morning because it's breakfast in the garden. Yes, yes, yes. If you enjoy peaceful moments gardening, then this is the place to be right along with me. Join me in the garden for BITG, breakfast in the garden. And just what are you having for breakfast this morning? I have my waffle, I have sausage, I have a taste of oatmeal, and also I have my fruit, cantaloupe, watermelon, papaya, honeydew melon, grapes. Mm. And you know, I am growing a papaya tree, and it's somewhere behind me. There's my papaya tree. All right. And so it's just wonderful to be in the garden because it's peaceful, and I enjoy these peaceful moments. So just wanted to go drop in, share with me what you're drawing, what you are. I'm sorry, I'm talking about what you're drawing. No, tell me what you're eating in the garden this morning. Yes. And until next time, keep growing with purpose. One plant, one lesson, and one harvest at a time. I can't wait until I have breakfast in the garden with my pineapple that I just recently harvested. Go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It's E.Chenice here, each day with E.Chenice. Every chance holds to excellence, and I'll see you next time.